Hey guys, welcome to our first tips and tricks video. This one is going to be covering resources that you can use external to class and websites like MDN and W3 Schools. If you need me to make any videos, either from request or maybe you have something wrong in your code, you don't understand why it's happening, and you want some input on it, send me a suggestion comment on any of these channels here. All you have to do is tag me and then say suggestion or something like that, and then put any information you want so that way I'm notified and I'll try to make a video on it. I'll respond to the comment if I can. Otherwise, you should see it here in the new tips and tricks channel. In fact, you'll probably see the launch message here before I actually get the chance to upload this video. Anyway, today's subject is regarding resource. As a developer, you want to have as many good resources as possible. In this case, I'm going to be showing you one particular website. It's called Goal Kicker. And what it does is there's a bunch of free PDF books that you can look at to research any particular language, framework, or add-on in some cases of these particular languages. So in this case, let's look at HTML5. I can click it. At the bottom, I can download it. It's absolutely free. I promise you that. I've been using this site for over 2 years, and I can vouch for it very heavily. So in HTML5 here, we get a chapter outline. I don't know why it highlighted like that. But we can check out what's in it. Down here, we get an example. These books are updated weekly if there is something notable to update. And occasionally they add new books if something new technology comes out or something like that. Down here, let's say you really want to make sure you're updated on HTML5. You can put your name and email here, and it will sign up for emails whenever they update a new version or upload a new version of this particular PDF. So this is what it's going to look like. We can scroll down, and it's a little more friendlier than MDN. In MDN, you kind of really need to know what you're searching before you can research it. But in this, it gives you a nice little outline of what you want to look for. So let's say I'm having issues with tables. That's pretty common. Tables have a lot of elements. It'll give you a general outline, some descriptions on how they work. And down here, it starts teaching about column groups. And I believe it'll even tell you, yes. So down here is semantic HTML. It's teaching you how to make tables with semantic elements. So it gives you that little extra information that you might want to look up on. Now, I want to make this clear. This is not a replacement for your Coding Dojo curriculum. You don't want to stray from what they would like you to learn. The purpose of me posting this is to show you stuff you may want to pick up after graduation or during your attendance of these classes. Sometimes you want to know extra information about a language, or maybe you're just genuinely curious about what else you can do in these languages, and there's quite a bit to cover. So let's take a look at this site a little more and see what they have available. What's nice, oh, look at this. They have an algorithm book to teach you about algorithms. I believe it's using Java as examples, but if you're fluent enough in JavaScript, you can probably read these and get the idea of what they're doing. And that's really all that matters. But it'll tell you how to do particular algorithms and understanding how they work. We got C, CSS, Git. So we're going to be doing Git soon. So this is a good idea to maybe pick this up and get like a good reference guide. It looks like it covers darn near everything. Look at that. That's good. I know you guys are working on a game on the bottom here, World of Codecraft. You guys have been messing with this. I recommend looking at HTML5 Canvas, which is an extension of HTML5 that allows you to do stuff like make shapes and add collision and animations and stuff like that. It might really make that game, give you some extra content to the game outside of just text, if you want to do that kind of thing. Otherwise, it's a neat little thing. Don't focus on this too much if you have classwork to do. I just want to let you guys know that this exists, and it is a great, great thing. jQuery, JavaScript, there really is a whole bunch in here. MongoDB, if you're doing the Python stack, I think we all are. Do they have Python in here? Yes, they do. Oh, 700 pages. That's even more than JavaScript. React is in here. Ruby, Spring Framework, SQL, TypeScript. A lot of great, great stuff here, and these are updated pretty regularly. Remember to add any suggestions for more future videos. I will continue to post videos regardless on subjects that I get asked a lot, but make sure to go into any of these channels. Just tag me, okay, at Tainted Hex. And then if you want, write the word suggestion or something like that, and then throw me an idea. I'll make the video for you. It'll be in the tips and tricks channel.